3 tablespoon fennel seeds, 2 tablespoon desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoon gulkhand, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 3 betel leaves. Cut it into pieces and add it to the blender. Now add 10 to 12 cashew nuts along with 7 to 8 almonds and 5 to 6 dates. Add 300 milliliters chilled, fresh or heavy cream. Five tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon milk powder, 2 drops of green edible color. Churn well for 2 to 3 minutes. The yummy betel leaves ice cream is now ready to be served. Hope you enjoy. Garnish it with tutti frutti. Freeze it for 7-8 hours or overnight. The yummy betel leaves ice cream is now ready to be served. Hope you enjoy. This brings us to the end of this recipe. Please leave a like, share it with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel and click the bell for post notifications. See you in the next video with another amazing recipe. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.